We are going to review today Western Digital KVR 2TB black hard drive. This model is ideal for high storage solution. This drive features a 2TB storage space with solid performance, and it is drive with a motive of high performance. The drive features common SATA interface, which are commonly found in many other hard drive, but there are some unique features provided in this. The interface offers 6 Gbps of transfer rate with 64 MB cache. The thickness of this drive is 3.5 inch, which makes it uncomfortable for enclosures. It is an ideal hard drive for home and office usage. It is designed with a technology that offers you better power consumption and also stay cooler at longer operation, but we found that the hard drive gets hotter when you're using it. Western Digital offers KVR series hard drive in 4 different colors. They are blue, green, black and red. This one is a black series. The blue offers reliable storage solution for desktop PC and enclosure, while green features low noise and low heat hard drive. Black one features maximum performance only, while red one is good for NAS and it is designed to work 24/7. The prime feature of this hard drive is it has a dual actuator technology. That means there are two actuators used by the head that give the head more precise data tracks. It features treble track, that means the motor shaft inside is designed to absorb maximum vibration and offer low noise while using it. It is also loaded with no touch ramp load technology, where the head never touches the platter, due to which you get more reliable solution. While there is a dual processor in it for better data transfer, and the colossal cache is 64 MB, which improves the performance to a great extent. The interface, as I said before, is SATA 6 Gbps, and the rotational speed of this hard drive is 7200 RPM. The capacity available is from 500 GB to 2 TB. Now we'll test the hard drive and we'll check out the performance and also check out the data transfer speed of Western Digital KVR. WD KVR Black 2 TB is a performance hard drive for home and office usage. The drive offers you ideal solution for data backup and storage. Dual actuator used inside KVR Black increases the data precision to great level. The hard drive get a bit hot, as I said before, when you use this continuously. The operating temperature lies between 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, which is quite good. You can ignore if it is getting too hot. The cost of this hard drive is around 12,000 rupees, which makes it an affordable drive for high storage output. The positive point of this hard drive is large storage space, good performance, low on noise, low on vibration, and fire warranty. The negative aspect of this hard drive is overheating, not designed for external enclosure. Now the hard drive is connected, and you can see the maximum storage space. It offers you 1862 MB, while some of them is reserved for the MBR. Now we'll run a small test through Crystal DiskMark. We'll check out what is the maximum speed it offers on data read and write. As it is a 7200 RPM hard drive, we can expect a good data transfer speed from it compared to an SSD drive. You can see here it is offering at around 140 Mbps of read speed, and the write speed will be near to that only. It is 126 MB per second. For now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.